Today we're gonna try and catch a wild goose. Well, not really wild. Without gloves. Hey. This is currently close, man. You just fucking caught it with those gloves. It's gonna hurt. What? They just caught it with those gloves. What? You smart? Personal note, if I don't get out of here, tell my dad. Come on, let me. Okay, give it here. I'm the camera guy. Okay, back to the camera guy.
We got the stick off. We got up there, but let's go.
Okay, watch out. Okay. He's lighting at his gooch. No, it doesn't taste. It doesn't taste it. Where's the fish for? Now we're gonna catch him alive. Fucking stab him.
He's hurting his foot.
No, it doesn't take him in. There's the owner of the
Run!
Our two professionals are trying to fish this goose up. Can they do it in time? Yeah, probably. We got all the time in the world. Here he comes. Can you see that goose? Can you see that goose? Can you see it? There he is. Ready? What do you get him on? Oh, right, there. Come over here. Oh, shit. Hey, don't put it back down. Here. Hey, now that we got the goose up, our other professional is trying to... Oh, shit. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm done in. Now it's time to give him a Cody stroke at angle. I got this really deep in his heart. I'm taking my dick off his asshole. What? And we're getting it. There we go.
Yeah, he likes that. That's lucky.
Now I'm going to kiss him on the ear.
Oh my God. He's amazing.
I'm going to kiss him on the phone. I am the goose hunter. I bet he gives good friends.
Cody is about to kiss the goose.
Don't me. I wish I would be like...
Oh my God. He's scared.
Yeah, he's scared.
But we have good goose hunters that he knows.
He is throwing at me.
You gotta catch him.
Oh, shit.
This is what?
He's eating the pussy of the grass. Daddy's scared.
Bob his butthole, okay? And we're going, oh!
Yeah, I do not need this. And goose hunting. Really? Yeah. That is the goose. Be sure to watch next season when we fight the bear. Your finger. Your finger's on the cave. Okay. Be sure to watch next season when we catch a cow, a pig, a goose, and I fuck a shark. And that's Jesse. That is Jesse. That's Jesse. And that's
Oh,
Logan.
funny.
That's my cousin. Hi. And that's Liam. That's some guy. He's my new best friend. That's my new cousin.
Hey, big bum!
Okay. I'm sorry.
Okay.
This is my cousin.
Yes, he is.
This is a chicken and the owner of the camera. Thank you for watching. No, I'm just kidding. How do you end it?